to create a musical equipment accessories e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next to proceed to type in your password. So it's loading, as you can see. And after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. After typing the name, you click on continue. Then you proceed to answering this question with these three answers. So you choose the answer that fits you, and then you do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of musical equipment accessories, so I'm going to choose tech products, or I'm going to choose jewelry and accessories and tech products. So I'm going to choose these two categories, and that's it. And if you can't find your category in this list, just go with other, then click on continue. And if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step, and then you will proceed to your dashboard right now. So this is the dashboard, as you can see, and in your right you have the edit site button, and also we have the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And in your left you have 9 sections, and each section, and I'm going to go through each section and show and explain it for you. So I'm going to start with website, where you have the edit site button again, and the domains button, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you can set or create, where you have the site items if you want to create new products or change the ones that you already have. Also you have the site categories, where you can create categories. Then we have options, coupons, and so on. And then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders to see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and the cancelled one, and so on. Then you have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you can check or see all of your reports, as you can see, the site traffic reports, sources reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you just go with summary. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with automated, email, ads, and so on. And again, if you want to see the summary, just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where we have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then we have the settings, where you have the general settings if you want to change your company name, your address, your phone number, and so on. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account. As you can see, you can connect your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or you can also change the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes, where you can set your tax settings, and we have also the units, where you can change the site's language, and you can also edit your units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview, and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here it will not take more than 15 minutes, so you'll just need to be patient with it. It will be loaded up right now. Here we have the setup guide. If you want to go with it, if not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And here we have the styles, which is the first step of creating our store or designing our store, choosing one of these styles. So you can always change the style whenever you want. It's just the first step. So here I'm going to choose this one as my style, and I'm going to click on hide styles and check if it fits the store. So I think this style will do the job. Then click on apply site styles, and after that you have the site design. If you want to change the style again, and if you want to add an image to be your logo, change colors, and if you want to change fonts, which I'm going to change from Poppins to Comforta, this one, and I'm going to make this one 1.30 like this, 1.30, that's it. And for these ones, for the headlines, I'm just going to leave them bold, and also let's make it 1.2, and let's make it like that, and then we leave the fonts, click on done. Then you have the shape of the buttons and images. Let's make them rounded, and then click on done. And if you want to change these other elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version. And when you're done, you click on done. Then if you want to search for a domain name, you will just need to type the domain name in here, then click on search and see if it's available. And here we have the plus button if you want to create a new section, page, item or category. Also if you want to go to the settings, if you want to see the page's settings or duplicate the page, and here you can change the page that you're in, if you want to add a new page or if you want to go to the category pages or any other category, the item pages and so on. And here if you want to change one of these sections, just click on it and you will see all of its adjustments in here. The navigation, if you want to cancel it or not. Then you have the customization, content, and that's it. So you can just click on the one that you want to edit and you'll be able to edit it. And here if you want to hide this section, you can hide it. If not, you can show it again. And if you want to change the placement of one of them, you can do that. Also, if you want to delete it, you can delete it. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.